how to block someone's messages in Viber. So in order to do this, you can just go ahead and block them in general. So go ahead to whoever person you want to block in Viber, of course. So get into your Viber, scroll down to whoever you want to block again. So you're gonna have to choose someone who actually does have a Viber. Let's say you press on their profile and see something like this, then that pretty much means they don't have one. So if they don't, you can go ahead and do another process, since this video will only be showing how to block someone who has a Viber. Then in our case, if you do have someone you want to block that does have Viber, it should look something like this. And once you press on their profile, go ahead over here to the edit, which is a little icon in the top right in their profile. So press on that, and then this option will pop out. You'll be able to see their mobile. You can add a phone if you want, but you have the block this contact option. So at that point, what you're gonna do is just go ahead and press on that option, and then this will pretty much just show up, which is it will unblock this contact. So just go ahead and press on save once you press on the block option, and they will pretty much just be blocked in your Viber. So that's pretty much how you do this process. It's that simple. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.